Bionic implants, retina chips, smart contact lenses with built-in displays. Welcome to the future, where your eyeballs are smart, your glasses have opinions, and privacy is mostly nostalgic. And yes, scientists are literally wiring vision straight to the brain. This isn't sci-fi, this is science by last Tuesday. It's here. At Stanford, one researcher is leading the charge with the PRIMA system, a solar-powered retinal implant that can help people with macular degeneration to see again. That's right, your eyeballs can now run on light. The chip transmits images directly to the brain using AR glasses. Meanwhile, another researcher, also at Stanford, is decoding the brain's vision code. Translation? He's hacking sight like it's Spotify for neurons. Amazing, right? And then, when the tech bros got involved, introducing EyeQ, the world's first retina-connected, cloud-synced, ad-supported eyeball experience. Blink wants to upgrade. Blink to continue. Crying may incur additional fees. EyeQ lets you zoom, enhance, auto-tag faces, night vision, zoom lenses, maybe even a filter that turns your X into a blur. We're not saying you can Photoshop reality, but we're also not saying it. It comes in basic, premium, and why is my eyeball asking for my credit card and social security info? Some early user reviews include: first user, now I can dodge my ex in real time. Second user says, thanks to EyeQ, I blinked and got his name, job title, and credit score. And third user, well, they said my left eye got hacked, but my right one has VPN, so it's fine. Yes, so that's where we are, or could be. Just a side note, EyeQ is a fictional product, and any resemblance to a real company is purely coincidental, unless they start scanning our eyeballs, in which case, hello. What started as compassionate tech is now a lead enhancement. Devices once made to help someone read a street sign are now being pitched as productivity tools. Think hedge fund meetings with emotional analytics. Dr. Mark Humayun's Argus II Bionic eye was a turning point in restoring vision, but similar tech is now sliding into surveillance mode. Cam MyEye, for example, was built to help the blind recognize faces. Now, that same tech is being sold to law enforcement for real-time ID scans. So, yes, things are shifting. And let's talk emotion detection. It could help autistic users read facial cues, but it's also just perfect for interrogators or sales reps. Suddenly your eye isn't just a tool, it's spy tech, with a biometric data stream and a front row seat to your life. Like all current tech, moving faster toward the future, what's next? First notice: please disable your eyeball before entering the restroom. Second notice: your glance has been recorded for quality assurance. Third notice: your free trial of night vision has expired. And then comes the real digital divide. If you've got cash, you get features super zoom, night mode, emotional analytics, and yeah, even those Instagram reality filters. But what about the kid down the street who just wants to read a chalkboard without the pop-up ads? Researchers hope future implants can reach 2100 vision or better, but who gets access? Who pays for the upgrade? And what happens when schools and jobs start assuming you've got EyeQ? Without enhancement, you're not just underperforming, you're invisible. It's a good idea on the face of it. helping people reclaim sight, freedom, dignity. Next up, how can we monetize it? Militarize it? Add haptics? What happens when that blink history gets sold? Because digital eyes don't just help you see. They see you, they remember everything. And are they ad-supported? So the next time someone says, "The future looks bright," ask, whose eyes are we looking through and who's watching back? At Spin Reel News, we're keeping one eye on the future and one on the terms and conditions. But for now, a thankful shout out to the researchers at Stanford, USC, and beyond, like Dr. Daniel Palanker and Dr. E.J. Chichelniski. They are both brilliantly trying to restore vision and not just monetize eyeballs, and we hope it stays that way. If you liked it, then like and subscribe, and remember, Spin Reel News isn't just real, it's retinal.